Hi there guys, got a cabinet lock. It's a bird. See it there. Let's try and angle this so you can see what I'm doing. Here's the key. See the bits in there. Not overly challenging. Strange thing I've found, but I'll talk you through as I go through it. Right, working lock. See, it's gone down. Locked. Locked. Right, let's see if we can turn this out. So I turn it lock. Right, so. Let's try and pick this one. So I'm going to start at the front with this. There's no spools or mushrooms or anything like that, it's just normal, so there you go. It's one, turn, and then it stops. Now when it gets to this bit, I can't actually pick it any further. I've tried a couple of times and I'll try a bit more, but so I just use my Soho here. Get it in there. Keep the tension on it. Hopefully give it a bit of a wiggle, and it should. And get it onto the back. There we go. Tension on. Bit of a wiggle like that, and then and watch the top. Done. Turn it back. We'll go halfway again. I found if I just put the tension wrench back in there, give it a bit of a wiggle again. Must be. There you go. And locked again. So there you go. There you have it. Thanks for watching. Pickbeard out.